Hello guys, in this video, today we are talking about titanus Methuselah and know about powers, abilities, origin, and he was how he was powerful. So guys, watch video until the end and make sure guys like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So guys, let's get start this video. First of all, we know about Methuselah. So Methuselah is the longest living being. He was known by in Bible mythology of Germany. He was about living organisms, and he was a living entity, longest alive. And in Monsterverse, he was appearing king of the monster, and its outpost is 67. Now let's talk about Methuselah height. Methuselah height is only had to 322 feet tall, but count with mountain-like structure, he touched 525 feet tall, and its weight is 4 lakh tons. He was very heaviest titan. Methuselah is very durable because his mountain and rocky skin can defend other titans' attack, and he can survive nuclear explosions. If they said everything he was mountain, and he was a walking mountain known as in Monsterverse. And when he is moving, he create chaos everyone. Methuselah was very powerful strength to beat every titan, but he was very slow, and someone can easily defeat them. So guys, that's all in this video. Like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys.